click on the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest update from this channel.
Hello friends, today I am going to show you how you can bypass FRP lock on Galaxy J7 Prime. First of all, you need to connect your mobile with Wi-Fi, then connect it with your PC and open Samsung FRP tool. Then click on bypass FRP, click here and wait for the pop-up message. Now click on view and you can see it's asking for YouTube update, so we are unable to do next process. So first we need to turn off our mobile and hard reset it. Press home button, volume up button and power key together, as you can see. Now leave the power button and keep press the volume up and home button until you get in the recovery mode. If you get YouTube update message, so you need to hard reset your mobile first, then repeat the process which we did before, so we can bypass our FRP lock. As you can see here, we need to select factory wipe data and factory reset, click power, yes, and then we need to reboot it. So I fast forward the video so we can finish it fast. So wait for the mobile setup. Okay, now we are at home screen. Click here and give your Wi-Fi password, but do not connect it yet, because if we connect it we get a YouTube update message again. So just put your password and connect to PC and wait for driver install, then click on bypass FRP, click OK, click OK, then immediately connect Wi-Fi like this. When you see, now click on view and you will get through the internet browser. Immediately click on it and now you are in browser. If you get any problem, do all process again. So search here FRP Faisal from faisalmobile.com and open the first link from faisalmobile.com. Here it is, click on it and you will go to my website. Now click open setting app and check your Android version here. If you don't want to check, no problem, you can just download the files. It's 601 Android, so we need to download Android 6. Click on it and download it. Now it's downloading and you need to go back, so click here and go back to website and scroll down. You will find here FRP bypass.apk. click on it and download it. After download finish, we need to install both these files. Now bookmarks, download history, and here you will find your both files. Click on Android 6 and install it. Give permission, install. Now done, and go back and install FRP bypass. Give permission again and install it. Now open it. Now click on three dots, browse sign in, okay, and here you give your Gmail ID and password. As I am giving my Gmail ID over here, then click next then give your password. Internet is little bit slow, so now I am giving my password here, and it's just going to sign in. Now our account is signed in, so now you just restart your mobile and it will let you go to bypass your FRP. You just need to set up your mobile now. It's almost done. After restart, we need to set up our mobile. Just wait for to open it. Now we are in home screen. Just click start and click next, agree. Now it's checking connection. It will take a few seconds. You can use this method on other Samsung models also, which have YouTube update message. So keep it in mind. You just need to hard reset your mobile again and then repeat the all process. It's almost done. I need to fast forward it so we can finish it fast. So make it speed 5x. So now skip, next. If you get any problem during process, you can comment me, so I will hopefully give you answer. It will take some time here, and click next, finish. Now our phone is completely bypassed and you can use your mobile freely. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Okay. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.